Hi there, this is Harold at Honda of Bellingham. I'm going to show you a brand new feature that's new to Honda. This is the first vehicle that it's available in is the 2023 Honda Pilot. The one I'm in is a Pilot Elite. So here's what I'm going to show you. I'm sitting here, I'm between a couple cars here on the lot. There's a gap up there ahead of me, so I'm going to show you how these new cameras show the world around you. So we're going to start with this button on the end of this right hand stalk behind the wheel. So when I push that button, I can turn on, this is the front camera. You can see those two cars out there. This camera is looking at the front. If I either touch here or I can push this button a second time, so I can toggle between off, front, left and right, and the overhead view can also be turned on and off. So let's go ahead and put the car in drive, push that button. I'll just keep that system on, and I'm going to drive up here in between these two cars, and you can see how the left and the right and the overhead are showing where I'm at. Parking sensors are going to pick up that curb and give me warnings. So now I'm going to hit reverse. Now I've got the same thing going in backup, and again in the reverse camera I've got a wide angle view and a little bit more centered view. So I'm going to go ahead and show the overhead, and now I'm going to carefully back up, back in between these two cars behind me, using this overhead camera view. And you can see that I can very easily line everything up. Pretty awesome. So this is the first Honda to get this bird's eye view camera. I'm pretty excited about it. I know other brands have had this for a while. So if you'd like to take a look at this new Honda Pilot and you're in the Bellingham area, my name is Harold. Come on by here, ask for me. Harold at Honda of Bellingham in 2010 Iowa Street in Bellingham, Washington. Our phone number is 360-676-2277. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day.